Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel Let's Speak in English. What is a gerund? A gerund is a verb form that ends in ing but function as a noun in a sentence. In other words, its word derived from a verb that behaves like a noun. Let's we further explain how to identify a gerund in a sentence. There are two ways to find out a gerund in a sentence. First one ends in ing. Gerund always ends in ing, and thus we can easily predict the gerund in a sentence. Another one is it acts as a noun. They function as a noun, not as verb or adjectives. For example, here, swimming in the ocean is refreshing. In this sentence, swimming in the ocean is refreshing. Swimming is the subject of the sentence, and swimming describes the gerund in the sentence. Let's we describe about the function of the gerund. Gerund can perform several functions in a sentence just like noun do. Subject of a sentence. Gerund can be act as a subject in a sentence. For example, cooking is my passion. Cooking in this sentence act as a subject. Cooking is my passion. Cooking describe about the gerund and its work as subject in this sentence. Gerund also work as object of a verb. For example, she enjoys painting. In this sentence, enjoys is the verb and painting is work as an object, and this word painting is a gerund in the sentence that work like an object in the sentence. So in this sentence, gerund work as an object of a verb. She enjoys painting. Gerund also work as an object of a preposition. For example, they talked about moving to a new city. In this sentence, preposition about and gerund is moving. So gerund moving is the object of the preposition about. They are moving to the new city, and the gerund is work as an object in this sentence, and about is the preposition. Gerund also work as subject complement that predict the noun. For example, here, his favorite hobby is gardening. In this sentence, gerund gardening follows the linking verb is and rename the subject. Gerund also work as a positive in the sentence. For example, her goal, winning, was finally achieved. Gerund winning remains or explain the noun goal. Let's we further describe about what is a positive. An appositive is a noun or noun phrase that rename or explain another noun right next to it. It provides additional information about the noun it follows, and it is usually set off by commas. Let's we further describe about this sentence in detail. Main noun in this sentence is goal and winning is a gerund that works as a positive in this sentence. The purpose of a positive, the word winning, rename or clarify what the goal is. It specifies that the goal being discussed in the act of winning. There are a common confusion between gerund and present participle. Let's we describe about what difference between gerund and present participle. Both gerunds and present participle end in ing, but they have different function. Gerund act as noun while the present participle act as adjective or form continuous tense. Let's we further clarify by an example. Example here, running is healthy. In this sentence, gerund work as noun. In this sentence, running is work as gerund and thus act as a noun in the sentence. This described about gerund. On the other side, we have other example for present participle. She is running fast. In this sentence, verb in the present continuous tense. The verb here is running and this describe about the present continuous tense. Gerund also work as a phrase. For example, eating ice cream on a hot day is delightful. The entire phrase acts as the subject. The ground phrase consists of ground plus a modifier or object related to it. Why are gerunds important? Let's we further describe about the gerunds in detail. Gerund makes sentence more dynamic and allow for compact expression. Instead of saying to swim in the ocean is refreshing, we can say swimming in the ocean is refreshing. Hopefully you understand about gerund. Give us a like and subscribe the channel as well. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.